Stop doing this to your iPhone battery. Right now, as you're watching this video, your iPhone might be slowly destroying itself. Not because of a glitch, not because of bad luck, but because of you. Most people don't realize it. But the little habits we repeat every day are quietly cutting our iPhone's battery life in half. And new data shows it's happening faster than ever before. Beat of silence. Imagine this. You spent $1,000 on your iPhone, believing it would last for years. But within 12 months, the battery health drops to 85%. That's not just annoying. It's expensive. It's like buying a luxury car and constantly refilling a leaking gas tank. And here's the scary part. Apple's new diagnostic data reveals that up to 73% of users are unknowingly doing the exact things that damage their batteries the most. So today, I'm going to expose what those things are and show you how to stop before your iPhone turns into an overpriced paperweight. But before we go further, quick question. If your phone's battery suddenly dropped to 10% right now, how long would you last? Exactly. Let's fix that. Your iPhone isn't just a phone. For most of us, it's the remote control for our entire lives. Banking, business, photos, everything. And the truth is, the more dependent we become, the less we notice the slow decay happening inside that sleek little box. Every charge cycle is like one heartbeat, but every time you misuse it, you're speeding up its heart rate, making it age faster. According to Apple's latest support documents, lithium-ion batteries degrade not from use, but from misuse. Small, daily mistakes that heat up cells, stress the battery chemistry, and wear it down long before it should. And if you're like most people, you're doing at least 3 of these things every single day. Let's start with the one mistake almost everyone makes, and it's probably happening right now while you're watching. Number 1. Charging your iPhone overnight. I get it. You plug it in before bed, wake up with a full charge, and think you're being smart. But here's the catch. Once your battery hits 100%, the charging doesn't just stop. It trickle charges, staying near full capacity for hours. And that's like keeping your muscles flexed all night. Apple's own data shows that lithium-ion cells last 20% longer when kept between 20% and 80% charge. Every time your phone stays at 100%, it's under chemical stress, and heat builds up. So yeah, leaving it plugged in overnight? That's like making your phone run a marathon in its sleep. And come on, your iPhone doesn't need a full 8 hours of charging. It's not a Tesla. Instead, use the optimized battery charging feature. It learns your routine and only finishes charging right before you wake up. That's one simple tweak that can literally save you hundreds of dollars in future repairs. Now, before you relax thinking that's all, here's another big one. Number 2. Letting your phone die completely. There's this weird satisfaction when we drain it to zero, like we're getting our money's worth. But according to battery research from Battery University, deep discharges, taking your phone from 100% down to 0%, cause internal metal plating that permanently damages the battery cells. The ideal? Keep your battery floating between 30% and 80%. Think of it like maintaining a healthy diet, not starving it, not overfeeding it. So yeah, stop treating your phone like it's training for the Hunger Games. And now that we're talking about heat, let's talk about something that might actually scare you. Number 3. Using your iPhone while it's charging. Yeah, I know. We all do it. You're watching YouTube, scrolling TikTok, or FaceTiming while it's plugged in. But this creates a mini heat storm. Apple's battery analytics show that temperature is one of the fastest killers of lithium-ion cells. Every 10 degrees Celsius increase in temperature can double the rate of battery degradation. That means even casual gaming while plugged in can chop months off your battery lifespan. You might not notice it now, but one day, your phone's at 20% by noon and you're wondering why. That's why. So if you absolutely need to use it while charging, prop it up, give it airflow, or better yet, take a 15-minute break. Pattern interrupt. Your thumbs could probably use the rest anyway. Now, let's move to one that almost no one talks about, yet it's quietly destroying battery life for millions of iPhones. Number 4. Ignoring software updates. Beat. Yeah, I know, those annoying update available pop-ups feel like they show up every week. But here's what Apple doesn't shout from the rooftops. Those updates don't just fix bugs. They recalibrate your battery algorithms. Skipping updates means your phone might think it's managing power efficiently, when in reality, it's draining twice as fast. In one Apple support study, devices running old iOS versions showed an average battery health drop of 5% more per year compared to updated ones. So next time you see that update notification, don't ignore it. It's not a chore. It's free battery insurance. But here's the twist. Even if you fix all of these habits, there's one final mistake that's harder to admit. Because it's not about the phone, it's about us. We're obsessed with speed. Fast charging, instant gratification, constant use. And that addiction is what's slowly draining not just our devices, but our discipline. Let me explain. The resolution, meaning, plus inspiration, plus financial connection. Your iPhone battery is more than a piece of tech. It's a mirror. How we treat it reflects how we manage every other part of our lives. If you constantly push for 100%, drain to 0%, ignore maintenance, and chase short-term convenience, that's exactly how most people treat their money, and that's why they're always charging but never staying powered. People who build wealth, real, lasting wealth, understand balance. They preserve what matters. They optimize, not overuse. They protect long-term gains instead of chasing short-term dopamine. So yeah, this video isn't just about saving your iPhone battery. It's about training your mindset to protect what gives you energy. Whether that's your money, your time, or your focus. Because here's the truth. Every small decision adds up. And just like your battery, your financial health depends on consistent, intelligent habits. So, stop doing the things that drain your battery and your life. Unplug overnight charging. Avoid hitting 0%. Keep it cool. Stay updated. Because when you protect your power, you extend your freedom. And if you want to learn how to take that same principle, the art of protecting and compounding your energy, and apply it to your money, you're going to love what comes next. Click on the video on your screen right now. This is reminding you to protect your energy, protect your battery, and protect your wealth.